So in the last video we saw bold tag, italics tag and comments. So this video I'm going to be covering hyperlink reference, which is also known as href in HTML. So let's get started. Many of times you want to redirect the user to a new website or like a new web page of your own website or a subtitle under your own web page. So either ways it's just redirecting and nothing else. So the tag for any redirection page or something like that starts with A. I don't know why. And then for hyperlink reference it's href, which is the name of the tag, and then you put this quotes, two quotes, and then close the tab. So what happens here, suppose I put Google, okay, Google. So what happens here is that this Google becomes a button which can be clicked by the user, and whenever the user clicks this button, the HTML goes to the href part of this and then searches in between these codes. So in between these codes is supposed to be the web page or website or the subtitle under which you want the user to be redirected. So in this case I'm gonna redirect the user to google.com. So I'll put http colon www dot, okay, that's a spelling mistake, dot google.com. So this is going to be the website, and yeah, that's it for website reference. So we'll save this, go to our browser, refresh that, you get this blue button over here, and if I click over here it redirects me. Okay, probably you did not add this thing, only the www.google.com is enough, I think. So actually I can close this, open it again. Yeah, so now I click this. Okay, that's an error, I think. Let me think. So www.google.com, and yeah, so actually what the error is that you need the http, and actually the colon comes before this thing and then you put the two slashes. So make sure that the text is underlined so that it is denoted as a web browser. So you can actually go ahead from here by pressing the control, and yeah, this shows that this is a website. You can save it here. Okay, what is it? I don't need that too. Okay, I'll take that later. So you can, okay, so I close the browser, open the browser, and this time it's gonna work. Yeah, so now google.com has come at last. So the next thing to do is your own website. So let me make a quick website. Control N, HTML. Actually, let me quickly add the doc type tag. You can actually use anything. I'll save it in the exact. So the thing about making redirecting to another web page of your own website is that it should be on the same folder. So I'll just save it as page 2 dot html and then choose this as html. So now I need not add this. Okay, let me save it. So I'll go ahead and change that back because I didn't get the ending tag. Doc type HTML. That closes. Okay, what's the error? Maybe I needed to make it all caps or something like that. Doc type HTML. Is it okay now? No. Actually, an error was that it was saved as wrong thing. No. So I'll make a new one again. Um, Add something ASTG something like that. Yeah. So now I'll name it page 2. I'll actually replace it. Now I won't add the extension in the name. I'll go and select this, save. Yes. So I want to replace it. Now if I put doc type HTML, it should actually come. It should. I don't know what it will. Yeah. So I and then I'll make the body and then I'll say that this is the second page. So that's nice, right? I think. And I'll actually make this big h1 tag and then end it here h1. Yeah, I'll save this. And now to redirect this Google, okay, Google doesn't make sense now. Page 2, I'll make it. So to redirect to page 2, I actually need to put the file name with the extension. So it's going to be like page 2 dot html. Whatever you want, it's the name of this thing right here, which you can see. And then yeah, that's it. So save this, go to your browser. Okay, the browsers again like in google.com, so I'll open here and now open this is the second page, but now it's not showing in the first page, it's opening a freshly new second page and then showing this content. So that is for the same website but different web page. Now the next thing is actually going ahead and creating a page mark and page redirect. So page mark is when like you have big text and then you want to mark that part of the page, and whenever your user clicks a button then comes to that place of the page. So I have a Google documentary from Wikipedia. I'll just copy that. Okay, I'll copy that and then paste it over here as a new paragraph. So this is the paragraph. I am going to bring the user to this place. Okay, so a suitable title would be the rapid growth. So what I'll do here is go ahead here, add a tag, and then href equals to close that, uh, rapid growth, and close the href. Okay, I forgot to put the slash, forward slash a, and then here what I need to put is a hashtag, and then whatever name you want to give it for this page mark. So I'll just name it as pg mark 1, and then this becomes a page mark because it has a hashtag and a name for it. So now the question comes, how do you actually like bring the user here? Okay, the answer is you got to create another thing called the page redirector, and it's a, and then href equals to quotes close the tag. So this time you don't want the hashtag symbol, instead you just want the name. So I'll just copy it from here and put it over here. So an appropriate name for the button would be like rapid growth of Google. So I can actually go ahead, go to my main page, which is MK. So you have this big page. Suppose it was just one word on one line, then it would have been more big. But actually, when you click this thing, page mark 1. Okay, that was a mistake, I think. 1 second. Okay, so I just did the opposite. When you want to redirect to a page mark, then you put the hashtag, and then when you create the page mark, you don't put the hashtag. So now let's save it. Go to mk.html, go there, and now it should work. See, actually, wait 1 second. So I'll show what actually happens. I'll copy this line break and add somewhere here and there so that it becomes a paragraph, like big paragraph. um, I'll add it here and there, mainly above the page mark so that it becomes big enough. Here, here's a nice place. This would actually also be a nice place. Then can be here. Yeah, that's enough, I think. Now if I refresh the page, yeah, so I have to scroll down, but still it's not enough. Here I'll put it. Actually this might look silly, but just for teaching purpose I'm doing this. It's like 4 or 5 words in one line, and here, no, it can't be between a word, of course. um, I'll save it, refresh it, it should be more down. Okay, what I'll do now is like I'll put this thing instead of here, I'll put it somewhere over here. I'll add some more over here. So this this line break, and then here, 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 here. This is time consuming. Just save that and then take this whole thing, Control X, then put it somewhere here, and then take this also, Google's mission. That's a nice title, I think. So yeah, I should actually rename that also. So I'll name it Google's mission. That's nice, I think. I actually find a suitable title. So yeah, so what you actually say is the Google's mission is over here. I am actually on the top. I click over here. It should have actually taken me there. I don't know what happened. That's too much of errors in one video. Actually, I think so. Actually, what it is that you don't need a text over here. It makes it tidy. I think it makes it tidy. Yeah, so now actually it should work. I'll stop the video here. In the next video, I'll come back with the right solution, maybe, and then I'll meet you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch the next video because that's like part 2 of Ahrefs. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe.